What's up, Film Jammers? Today, we're gonna show you how to attach a Canon C200 to the Ronin S gimbal. We're gonna show you how to disassemble the Canon and then how to attach some monitors and get it all balanced out. Are you ready to gimbal? Film. Okay, so the first thing we wanna do is we wanna prep the Canon C200 for use on the gimbal. This is gonna involve stripping it down and getting the monitor ready so we can attach that monitor and use the autofocus on the Canon C200. All right, John, let's disassemble. I'm gonna film Sean, Jay's gonna film me. It's gonna get weird.
Let's go.
Okay, so right now, Sean is taking off the video cable out of the C200. The first step. All right, next he's going to remove the top handle. So the handle is off. He's got his Allen wrench, hex screwdriver, and he's going to remove the monitor. The cool thing about the C200 is you can actually remove the monitor separately and use it on gimbals. So they were really thinking ahead, those Canon engineers, when they designed this camera. And the monitor is now separated from the camera. Okay, and there it is. There we have the Canon C200 monitor separated from the camera, ready to gimbalize. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna remove the side handle from the Canon C200. This makes it smaller and easier to balance on the Ronin S. Easy as pie, just like that. Handle is removed. Okay, so we got the camera prepped for the gimbal. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to attach these little plates. These let you attach a monitor. So we wanna put that Canon C200 monitor on there so we get all the touch focus and different features that we can control on the camera. This little piece is about $9. We're gonna put links below so you can buy them. And it's really important because it lets you put a quarter 20 accessory on there, like the monitor. We've got another one here from SmallRig. It does basically the same thing. This one has a lot more attachments, so you can actually do 3/8 inch accessories, or it has a bunch of 1/4 inch on there too. So we're gonna attach both these. When the camera comes from the factory, it actually has kind of a little plate here, and then we're gonna remove that plate, and we're also gonna remove the follow focus wheel here, which we don't need because we're going to have the focus from the Canon C200 monitor enabled. What Sean is gonna do, he's going to disassemble the Ronin S. He's gonna take these side plates off right now. I'm gonna film it. You're gonna see how that happens, and then we're gonna attach these two little plates on so we can attach some accessories onto the Ronin S. Let's get disassembling. Okay, so we got the side plate off. We're gonna put on our little accessory that gives us the quarter 20 inch screw. We're gonna put this in fast motion later, so it's a lot more exciting.
Awesome. Very fast run. Cool. Second screw is going in.
So we're gonna spin the camera around now. We're gonna remove the follow focus wheel and attach another mounting bracket. Okay, Sean has got it. Ooh, look at all those fun connective ports there. Focus wheel's off. We're gonna attach our SmallRig mounting plate. And the SmallRig mounting plate gives us quarter 20 as well as 3/8 inch screws. So it gives you a lot of versatility when you're looking to attach accessories to the Ronin S. So when you buy the SmallRig mounting plate, they include screws, so you don't need to use the same screws that come with it. So we've got a couple screws. Sean's gonna get screwing. Okay, the plate is on. So our SmallRig plate is on the left. We've got the other plate here on the right. We can attach all sorts of accessories now. Did you bring any accessories?
No, but we have a monitor.
But we do have a monitor. So the point of attaching these two mounting plates was to let us attach our C200 monitor. So either side we can put it on now. So if we want to operate from the left or the right, we have quarter 20 attachment screw holes to put something like this little monitor arm in. Putting in the mounting arm. That is a saucy sombrero. I like it. So we've got the monitor arm in now. Now we're going to attach the Canon C200 monitor. It's really lightweight, which makes this whole setup very nice. You don't have to add a lot of extra weight onto your setup because the Canon C200 is a heavy camera, so having a light monitor really does help. So on the Canon C200 monitor, you've got a few different mounting options. Here's the quarter 20 there. Yep, got it.
On the side.
And on the side. So two different options. That is nice. So we're going to remove this just because it makes it easier to attach it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Now you'll be able to operate, see what you're shooting. That always helps. Okay, so we've got the monitor attached on here now. So what Sean is gonna do next, he's gonna use this marker to get the center of gravity on the camera balanced. So that way the camera is balanced forward and backwards about the same, and that's where we're gonna attach the plate and center it. Okay, so the plate looks good, we've got it centered. Now we're gonna start balancing it on the gimbal. So we've roughly balanced the Ronin S with the Canon C200 already. We're gonna slide it on and show you where it's at, and we're gonna kind of tweak it and get it fine-tuned so that it's perfectly balanced. And then we'll engage the gimbal motor, and we'll make sure it's nice and steady. And then we're gonna go out and shoot some test footage.
It's working.
Okay, so we've got the Ronin S balanced with the Canon C200 on there. We're going to attach the monitor cable from the monitor to the camera, and then we're gonna turn the Ronin S on. Monitor's attached. Everything's balanced. Okay, powering Ronin S on. That right there tells you what mode you're on, so we know we're on mode 2. It's got 3 different balancing modes. To do a custom balancing, what you'll do is you'll press this M button and this front button and hold that until it starts making a static sound. And it'll buzz for a couple seconds, and then you'll know you've got your balance set. So the M button right there, and then this button in the front right there. You're gonna hold those simultaneously. Okay, that light will blink. Once it goes solid, you know that the balancing has been complete. Wide balance adjustments. Ooh, even better, look at that.
Looks better.
Looks like a real shot now. So one of the great things about the Canon C200 is its autofocus. It's got a touch screen, so you can basically touch wherever you want it to focus, as long as you use lenses that support that function. So we have the Sigma 18-35 lens on there. It's a nice shallow 1.8 f-stop, so we should be able to get some pretty neat stuff. What do you say we go out and shoot some bananas?
Bananas.
And we're on the C200 with the Ronin S handheld right now. It's looking good. It's looking really good, Sean. Okay. Okay, you still got me in there?
Yep.
Cool.
Cool.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Turning, looking good. Woo, woo, woo. This guy's a pro. He's a steady cam operator. Don't let him fool you. Okay, so we completed our move. Let's walk back this way. All right, here we go. Through the door. Here we go outside. Oh, it's outside. It's very bright. Okay, here we go. We're going outside. Watch your step there, Sean.
We put in ND filter.
ND filter. That's how the pros do it.
There we go.
Got the ND on there. Nice, nice. We'll go this way. Okay, he's got the ND filter on. How's it feeling?
That feels great.
Oh, nice. You've been doing those bicep curls?
Yeah,
How long can you hold the
now-
shot? Ooh, a little sun.
Right.
Nice lens flare? Cool. Oh, yes. Okay. How we doing good still?
Absolutely.
Nice. Flaring and gimbaling, walking down the street. Want to do a little running shot? Okay, we're gonna run. We ready? It's magic hour. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go over in these bushes. Let's get crazy. Hold on, I see a snake. It's a snake man. That's just my neighbor, actually. Johnny the snake. Whew. Okay, ready to stand up and we'll walk back that way?
Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's do a little move up. All right, watch out for Johnny the snake man. Oh yeah. And we're gimbaling, baby. Going up the steps, here we go. Hoo-ha. Going inside. Okay, come on, you gimbal guys. So that was our little Ronin S test. We're gonna shoot some more. Check out our next episode where we're gonna do a full-on little sequence with the Ronin S and the Canon C200 to really test out that autofocus. Hope this test was insightful. Hope it helped you a little bit and see what you can kind of do on the C200 with the Ronin S. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next Friday. It's that breath. Are you ready to gimbal gamble? Shake it up. I need an ice pop or something. I'm out of breath. Whew. Kelly, feel free to not use any of this.